All right, lads, it seems all quiet on the Western Front, so God willing, we'll climb out, walk over towards the machine guns, and then... Oh, bloody hell! Oh, bloody hell! I got you! Oh, bloody hell!
Medic! Medic! Get help! Medic!
Out of the way! You're going up and down, Finch, you bloody idiot! All right. What have we got?
Are you a doctor, sir?
No, I'm here to clean the latrines. My God. Oh, crikey!
Oh, I think I've been mustard gas, sir. At least, that's what it feels like.
Oh no! Gas! 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 Oh no! Oh blimey! Oh, my leg! Oh, my leg! Oh, no!
It's not gas!
It's not gas? Oh, phew!
No. It's much worse, I'm afraid.
Oh no!
It's man flu.
Oh, blimey.
Man flu? A disease that's plagued mankind, but not womankind, you understand, for thousands of years. I tell you, if we had women in the British Army, I would have won this damned thing by now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about that. You know, it's not airborne. Unless he's been coughing. He hasn't been coughing, has he?
Oh, no, sir.
I have got a bit of a tickle at the back of my throat, actually, sir. Yeah, oh, here comes another one.
Oh dear God, it's worse than I thought. I need a duvet bearer over here. Now, quickly.
Phone the General, sir. Tell him I won't make it into work today. I'm not well enough.
Why are you doing that voice?
Well, that's just my voice, Private. I'm not well.
That's just his voice, Private. Now, why don't you make yourself useful and go and find him a throat lozenge? This is the worst case I've seen. I'm not sure he'll make it. Out to any family events or functions for the duration of the weekend, yes.
Private, can you do me a favour?
Yes, Corporal. Do you want me to write your wife and tell her?
Good God, man, no, you can't. She won't understand.
Can you get me a lemsip, Private? Oh,
what, Corporal?
Oh, you know, Private, the hot lemony drink that makes you feel slightly better.
Medic, I've lost my arm.
some people get all the luck.
Oh, can't you see? I've got a serious case of man flu over here. You're going to have to wait, I'm afraid.
No worries. No, I'll just pop up to the next charge station, 1 mile up the line. That's okay. I don't suppose I could borrow a tourniquet, could I?
Damn it, Private, would you tell that machine gunner to stop firing? I say, you're going to give the corporal a headache.
Ooh, I've got a really bad migraine coming on now. Ooh, blimey.
So always keep it elevated above your head, so you...
Ooh, it's sort of here, sir, here, and right round here. Oh, blimey. Oh, it's very bad.
Oh yes, the migraine. This particular symptom tends to strike suddenly, especially after a heavy night's drinking.
Oh.
Christ! Private, silence that machine gunner! Shoot him if you have to!
Oh yeah, sure. And I'll call the Germans and request a temporary ceasefire as well, sir, shall I?
Private, that's the first sensible thing you've said since I've been here. Corporal, would that help ease your suffering?
Oh, I think so, sir, yeah.
Do it, Private. In the meantime, I'm going to give him a couple of paracetamols and a number 9 to take the edge off. There's a good chap. How's that phone call to Berlin coming along, Private?
Oh no, I don't feel up to it, sir. Can you do it for me?
What?
Oh no. I think I'd better stay in my dugout all day and listen to the wireless. Eating a pot of instantaneous noodles signed dead to heat with boiling water.
Dear God, you've got it too, Private. We're losing him. Where's that duvet team? Ah, good, you brought the hot water bottle.
No, it's just not going to work. Lord of the Rings is just not going to happen. I just can't work with this. I mean, sure, the storyline is fine. Just answer me where we're going to get the guns for the hobbits. Yeah? I mean, the orcs have got guns, the elves have got guns. We haven't got any guns for the hobbits. I mean, they're tiny.
What about goat guns?
I don't need guns for goats, I need guns for hobbits. Somebody get me a chai latte.
No, Peter, you're not understanding. They're high-quality miniatures.
What, like pygmy goats?
I mean the guns. They're high-quality die-cast miniatures. I mean, you could give them to the hobbits. They're much safer than real guns, so, you know, less chance of them accidentally shooting us or something.
Oh, look at its intricate working parts and high-quality mechanism. That's going to look great on film once we add some effects in post. I can see Frodo with it now. But what about all the other hobbits? How are we going to make enough guns for all of them?
Don't worry, they come in build kits that either snap or screw together. Best we get building.
It's going to look great. I can't wait to see the reviews.
Goat guns have already got over 10,000 5-star ones.
Okay.
Action!
Frodo wouldn't have got far without Sam. All this gold-plated AK-47 chambered in 7.62 by 39 by Goat guns. That helped too.
Orcs! Bang! Bang!
No, Samwise, stop saying bang. We're adding that in post.
Oh, sorry, Pete. It's such a high-quality miniature that I keep forgetting it's not a real gun.
Close up on the gun. Make it look bigger in his hands. God, why did nobody tell me that we were using real-sized people for the hobbits? Legolas, what does your sniper scope see?
They're taking the hobbits to Isengard!
Destroy it, Mr. Frodo! Destroy the ring!
And cut! That's it. That's a wrap. Well done. I suppose he could have done it at the start, really.
Hello, chaps. Just checking in. How are we?
I dare say I'll never have anything this bad again, sir, even when I return home. I hope I'm shot of this flu before my holiday to Spain next year, sir. That'd be awful.
And how about you, Private? Feeling sick at all?
Almost loads of times, yes, sir.
But you've not actually been sick.
Not yet, no. But I have dribbled into the toilet a bit.
I'm sad to say it's not looking good. You're both for it, I'm afraid. Dead, I mean. You're both going to die, yes.
Blimey, that's how I feel, sir. On death's doorstep, actually.
Me too, sir.
Now I've spoken to command and, well, there's a mission and a VC for you both, if you want it. Yes, well, good luck and goodbye.
Come on, Hans. Just eins more Bier trinken. Come on.
Nein, ich can't. Mein apologies. Es ist just ein Swift one auf der Walk machen today. Das Captain das nicht even know am Gehirn.
Oh, du bist sehr wips.
Go on then. Just how about ein kleiner Shandy? Ja? Sie sind being only 5 more Minuten.
Nein, wirklich, guys. Ich habe already schwer missen Telegramme vom das Kapitän und ich muss picken up und gefahren auf mein Weg back to this Doggenauten.
Alarm! On!
Es ist 2 englische Soldaten.
Sie sind coming Richtung Otterson.
Gehangen on, don't shooten maken. Ich denke, der ist surrender dich. Geschon yourselven.
Was das fuck? Warum wird die Koffen und Stiesen machen auf our faces?
Dirtig bittische Tic-Tacken.
Ich feeling sehr unter das Wasser.